Did you know that the iconic Dr. Martens boot was originally designed for postmen and factory workers? Today, we're diving into how these durable boots became a symbol of both practicality and rebellion. Dr. Martens were first introduced in the mid-20th century as a two-work boot designed for durability and comfort, initially worn by postmen and factory workers. The boots were worn by postmen and factory workers, made with air cushioned soles to provide shock absorption, which was crucial for the demanding tasks performed by postmen and factory workers. As police officers also adopted these boots due to their durability, Dr. Martens became widely recognized as a symbol of practical footwear in the working class. The design and functionality of Dr. Martens were rooted in practicality, intended for individuals who valued durability and comfort in their footwear. Over time, the boots transcended their working class roots to become a symbol of rebellion and self-expression among various subcultures worldwide. Today, Dr. Martens continue to be celebrated not only for their durability, but also as a cultural icon, bridging the gap between practicality and fashion. So there you have it, from postmen to punk rockers, Dr. Martens' journey is a testament to their enduring appeal. What other iconic brands do you think started as practical tools?